Hi students, welcome back to our English class. This is your book reading session. So all of you take your material and ready to split. Okay? Yeah, so take your pencil and take your material and ready. So we completed the prose sea turtles. Have you understood that? Okay. See? So up to second section we already completed that material reading and book reading and teaching part, everything in the before session, isn't it? Okay, so now this is your section 3. So in this session already we completed the explanation part also. Now this is your material reading and book reading session. So book reading, you have to take your book and take a pencil and start to split that. Listen each and every pronunciation of words. Okay? Yeah, see section 3, first paragraph. Many of these teeny hatchlings which weigh less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. In fact, scientists estimate that only one in every thousand hatchlings becomes an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. See once again. Many of these teeny hatchlings which weigh less than 20 grams each will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. In fact, scientists estimate that Only one in every 1,000 hatchlings. Only one in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. Sea turtles lay so many eggs. See next paragraph. After many years of swimming, in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place? After so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. See once again. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after many years in the sea is one of many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. Next paragraph. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. See, sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. See next paragraph. This is the last paragraph in this prose. So this prose is written by Shekhar Dattatri. So Shekhar Dattatri is the natural playwriter. So playwriter means he is a prose writer, I think so. Okay, so he written many natural stories like these. Okay, so like natural creatures, natural things means like sea, oceans, and then forest, and many birds and animals. So like these stories, he written so many things. Okay, so Shekhar Dattatri. So that is the writer written this prose. Sea turtles. See, they have survived natural dangers for millions of years. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years. But sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger, in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival, their survival. People hunt them for their meat, people hunt them for their meat, or collect their eggs, or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. See once again this paragraph. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean. Hi students, good morning to everyone. Welcome back to our material reading session. So today's material reading part for you is first Roman and then fourth Roman, 5th question to 9th question, and then 5th Roman, 2nd paragraph. Okay, so this all for your material reading part today. So listen carefully. First, all of you take your material and take a pencil. Okay, now start to split that each and every sentences. So listen carefully, all of you, each and every pronunciation of the words. So this part is for your material reading, and then you have to read it, all of you. Okay. See, the first Roman is mind map. So that remaining Romans already we seen in the last session. Okay. So this is your second session of this same lesson, sea turtles. Yes. Okay, ma. See, listen. Your first Roman is mind map. So mind map means it's an outline story of this Prose sea turtles. Clear, all of you? Okay, see that. So first point is there are 7 kinds of turtles in the world. There are 7 kinds of turtles in the world. Second point, the turtles are found in Indian coastal waters, or olive ridley, hawksbill, green sea turtle, loggerhead, and leatherback. So second point once again, the turtles are found in Indian coastal waters or olive ridley, hawksbill, green sea turtle, loggerhead, and leatherback. Next point, January to March lay eggs. Next point, nest deep cavity of 45 centimeter 100 eggs. Next point, eggs size and shape of table tennis ball. Next point, nest covered with sand incubated under the sun. Next point, eggs, people, jackals, dogs and pigs, 45 to 60 days hatchlings. Egg-toothed, razor blade, rush to the sea. Next point, hatchlings 20 grams weight. 1 to 1000 become an adult. 1 in 1000 became an adult. Next point, after years come to same beach to lay eggs. Unsolved mystery. Next point, endangered species. Human activities. Hunt of meat and eggs. Pollution. Dumping plastics in oceans. Construction activities on nesting beaches. Next point, so this is the last point of mind map. Problems, solution, tackle problems, removing threats, save sea turtle. Problems, solution, tackle problems, removing threats, save sea turtle. See, so these are the outline story of this Prose sea turtles. Okay, so if we can read this mind map means you can orally identify or understood the complete meaning of this Prose sea turtles. Clear all of you? Okay, so next part is for you 4th Roman 5th question to 9th question now. Okay, so already first question to 4th question We read it in that last session. Yes? So home test also you could write that in the last class. So now we are start with fifth question. So split all of you. What is Olive Ridley's problem on land? What is Olive Ridley's problem on land? Olive Ridley's cannot walk on land. Olive Ridleys cannot walk on land using their flippers. Using their flippers. So they have to hold their body on the shore. This was their problem. This was their problem. See once again the answer. Olive Ridleys cannot walk on land using their flippers. So they have to hold their body on the shore. This was their problem. Next, sixth question. Mention the threats. Mention the threats caused to the eggs. Caused to the eggs. Local people follow the tracks of. Local people follow the tracks of the turtle and collect the eggs. Collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs and pigs too follow the scent left by the turtle and eat the eggs. See once again. Local people follow the tracks of the turtle and collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs and pigs too follow the scent left by the turtle and eat the eggs. See next question. When will the eggs hatch? When will the eggs hatch? How much does the hatchling weigh? And how? See the answer. The eggs will hatch in 45 to 60 days. The eggs will hatch in 45 to 60 days. A hatchling weight about 20 grams and the hatchlings slash open the leathery egg shell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. Next, eighth question. What do scientists estimate? What do scientists estimate? How can we ensure Olive Ridley lives? How can we ensure Olive Ridley lives? Scientists estimate that only one in every 1,000 hatchlings become an adult. See once again, scientists estimate that only one in every 1,000 hatchlings will become an adult if we systematically tackle Olive Ridley's problems and remove the threats, we can ensure their lives. Olive Ridley's problems and remove the threats, we can ensure their lives. Next, ninth question. What is the mystery of the reptiles? What is the mystery of the reptiles? After many years, the female turtles return to the same beach where they burn to lay their own eggs. The way they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries. See once again, after many years, the female turtles return to the same beach where they burn to lay their eggs. The way they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries. See, next part is for you paragraph. So second paragraph. So first paragraph already we read it in this last session. Yes. So now today for you second paragraph. So listen it carefully and split all of you. See second one. What problems are faced by the female turtles when they come ashore to lay their eggs between the months of January and March. Female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them, as the turtle's front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly, but are not very useful for moving on land. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. Next, there it scoops out a nest cavity 45 cm deep, into which it lays about 100 eggs. Then it fills the cavity and hides the nest with the sand. Finally, it returns to the sea. It returns to the sea, leaving leaving the eggs to incubate under the warmth of the sun. To incubate under the warmth of the sun. So that's all, students. Are you clear, all of you? Okay, so this is your material reading part, and then your home test portion is 4th Roman 5th questions to 9th question, and then 5th Roman 2nd paragraph only. Okay, so read well and then write it in your note properly. After that, you have another home test part is your worksheet. Yes, so already I just explained it in the teaching session. So complete your worksheets and then complete your homework. 4th Roman 5th question to 9th question, and then 5th Roman 2nd question. So these all are for you homework and then home test part. So read well and then complete your home test and send it to your class teachers clearly. Okay, students? Okay, students. Thank you to all. Do well, all of you.